So let's start with the Java first.
Yeah, okay.
So could you brief me about Java OOPS concepts?
Yeah, so there are 5 concepts that come under OOPS. There is object, class, and encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So when you come to polymorphism, it is like many forms. Polymorphism means many forms. So we can achieve polymorphism in 2 ways. One is method overloading and the other one is method overriding. So method overloading means we overload the method with different parameters. So the name of the method will be same, but the parameters will be different. And when it comes to method overriding, we override the method with different implementations. So method name and the parameters will be same, but then the implementations will be different. And inheritance, when it comes to inheritance, so what we basically do is, again, there are different types of inheritances. So what inheritance basically means is like you can uh, inherit the properties of a parent class in child class. So again, there are different like types of inheritance. There is hybrid in sorry there is multiple inheritance. There is single level inheritance. Yeah, so basically that you inherit the properties of parent class in a subclass or in a derived or child class. And so a class is like you'll have variables of that class and you'll have methods in the class. So that is what class is. And object will be object is like you can say as the proper like single entity of this class. So you can, using that object, you can access the variables and methods of the class. Yeah, and abstraction, when you say, it basically means data hiding. So what you basically do in abstraction is like you when you declare an abstract class, you just give the method names, and you just declare the methods. You do not write the implementation of the methods. So in a class where you extend an abstract class, over there you can write the implementation of these of the methods of the class, abstract class. Yeah.
What is an encapsulation?
So yeah, encapsulation is uh, like you combine the data of a class into a single entity, a single unit. That's encapsulation.
Which version of Java do you use?
1.8.
So when does an object become eligible for garbage collection?
Uh, okay, so say in a method you use a variable. You use that, and when you come out with a method, you do not use it. So that scope of the variable is in the method. So after that, it becomes eligible for garbage collection.
What happens if your serializable class contains a member which is not serializable?
Uh, so yeah, what basically serialization means is that you change the state of a code to a byte stream. So using that stream of byte, you can use that code anywhere else. So if it is not serializable in the serializable method or block, then that particular variable or method will not be taken forward. Like when you save.
Can you override the static method?
No, you cannot override a static method, because when you declare something, when you declare a method as static, uh, the implementation over there is like it's final. Like it's, you cannot change that.
And if I create the same method in subclass, then is it a compile time error?
No, I'm not sure about that.
What is the difference between hash map and tree map?
Okay, so in hash map, the insertion order is not maintained, but then sorry, in hash map the data is not sorted. In tree map the data is sorted, and hash map can have null values and one null key, but tree cannot have null values or keys. Tree map.
And what is the difference between hash set and linked hash set?
Uh, yes, give me a moment. I'll just recall.
Sure.
I'm quite like I know that both of them cannot have duplicate values. Uh, Linked hash set. No, I'm not able to recall at the moment. Can
What
you
is
can you tell
functional?
me what it is?
Sorry?
Can you tell me what it is? What is the difference?
Hash set doesn't maintain insertion order, and linked hash set maintains the insertion order.
Ah, that's right. Okay.
What is functional interface?
Okay, so in Java 8, they've like introduced functional interface. So what happens in a functional interface is like you can uh, declare, sorry, you can give the implementation of a function in interface. So that is what it is. You can also achieve functional interface using lambda expression. You can give argument list and the implementation in the class that is implementing interface.
Can we have a multiple abstract method in functional interface?
No, I'm not sure. Interface can actually extend only one abstract class and multiple. It can implement multiple interfaces, but about functional interface, I'm not sure.
What is stream API?
Stream API is used to handle data. It is used for computation of data. So it lazily loads the data.
Can you see a chat box on your screen?
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the output of this code?
Okay. So when you say 10 plus 20, it will like compute and it will give 30. The first line will give us 30 pallava. There will be no space and all that. And the second line will give us pallava 30.
And what is the output of the second code?
Uh, for me, like when I see, I think the for loop is wrong over here because condition over here it is not checking what see, it is declaring I is equal to 0, but the second like condition over here where it checks what I should be, that is given as 0. So I think it'll give an error.
What is the difference between comparable and comparator?
Comparable and comparator are both used to compare objects. Comparable uses compare method and comparator uses compare to method.
How exception handling is done in Java?
Yes, so exception handling can be done in different ways. There is you can do try catch block and handle exception, or you can even give custom exception. You can say like if code breaks in this way, then give out an error in the console so that the developer understands, like the one that comes next understands where exactly is the problem. So yeah.
Can we get a situation of unreachable catch block error?
No, I'm not sure. I think yes, you can get a situation of that, but yeah. I think you can get it, but I'm not sure what you're supposed to do when that happens.
Have we override equals method?
Equals method like is basically used for comparing two strings, comparing the contents of two variables. Yes, so it is the return type is boolean. So in the main class when sorry, in object when it is written object class, equals is like it accepts two string values. So you when you override you can give different
What does the hash code method?
I'm not sure hash code.
What is hash collision and hash table?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
What is hash collision in hash table? What do you understand by fail fast?
When you iterate over a collection and you modify an element in the collection while iterating, then this fail fast condition occurs. So then you will get a concurrent modification exception at that time.
What is the difference between string buffer and string builder?
Yes, so string builder is more efficient than string buffer. Uh, so a string buffer can use you can be used only when one thread is process is going on, and string buffer can be used when multi thread process is going on. And storage string builder is stored in no, string builder and string buffer both are stored in heap itself, so there is no difference over there. uh, yeah, that's what I think I can recall.
Why string is immutable? What does string intern method? Do you have exposure to J2EE?
Uh, Not that much actually. Like I can try answering a few questions, but I do
No,
not
no,
have that much.
no, no, I'm not going to ask the questions, but
Okay.
have you used it?
No, not that much.
Have you used design pattern of Java in any of your project?